Perseverance by John Imrie, 1846 to 1902. Disappointment is not utter failure. The striving is a measure of success. Each wise attempt but makes us stronger grow, till oft repeated stumbling blocks seem less, and finally prove stepping stones to gain the end in view and our fond hopes attain. As drops of water wear the solid rock, or sun's bright ray in focus kindle flame, so concentrated effort, wisely spent, will yet be crowned with success and with fame. If that thy aim be good, then persevere. Though success fail thee, this thy heart may cheer. No man e'er strove with noble end in view, but from the strife came forth more brave and true. Okay, this is a motivational poem by John Imrie. Perseverance, to continue trying. Don't give up, continue trying. Now, John Imrie was a Scot from Scotland. He was born in Glasgow, and when he was 25, he moved to, or he emigrated to Canada. He started working as a salesman selling subscriptions of a magazine, and then he became the foreman at a printing company. Later he then started his own printing company. So perseverance, this is what this is saying. It's saying don't give up, and that's the idea. Imrie is known for his motivational poems. He's a person who was struggling against inequality, and he was a person who wanted a more equal society, a fairer society. So disappointment is not utter failure. So if you're not successful, that's not a failure. The striving is a measure of success. So the fact that you're striving, you're trying, is how you should measure success. If you're trying really hard, that is to be successful. Just to try. It's not the end result that's important, but how you do it. Each white attempt but makes us stronger grow. So each time we try something, we attempt something, and we think about it, that makes us stronger, till oft repeated stumbling blocks seem less. And by making many various attempts, the stumbling blocks, the problems in our way, seem less. They get smaller because we've attempted this in many different ways, and the problems, the difficulties, the reasons that we didn't gain our end was the fact that we are stumbling over these blocks, but they get less, they get easier, and finally prove stepping stones to gain the end in view and our fond hopes attain. And these stumbling blocks then convert into stepping stones, because then we're able to do them, we're able to overcome these stumbling blocks, and then these become stepping stones to gain our final objective, to attain our fond hopes. So we keep stumbling, we keep trying against these problems, until finally these problems are no longer problems, but things that we can do and help us on our way to our objective. As drops of water wear the solid rock. So in the same way, a drop of water, if you keep dropping water onto rock, the rock wears away, and you can see this with rivers and various different natural things. Or sun's bright ray in focus kindle flame. or the rays of the sun on something, if they're just individual, they don't make anything burn, but you focus them all together and this makes a flame. So, in the same way, concentrated effort, wisely spent, will yet be crowned with success and with fame. So, concentrated effort, really trying hard to do something, using your energy and effort wisely, and keeping going, you will finally be successful. You will be famous for managing to reach your objective, because you've been trying. If that thy aim be good, then persevere. So if what you're trying to do is something good, don't give up, keep trying. Though success fail thee, this thy heart may cheer. So even if you're not successful, you don't achieve your aim, think about the following thing that will cheer up your heart, will make you feel good. No man e'er strove with noble end in view, but from the strife came forth more brave and true. So always, never did a man strive with a noble end who didn't come out of it braver, stronger and more intelligent from the struggle. So the struggle of doing things that are noble, with a noble, the striving is what makes you braver and truer and a better person. So, enough. Perseverance by John Imrie. Don't give up.